What is up, y'all? Welcome back to yet another bang-ass video. Today, we have a lot of stuff planned. As you can tell from the title of the video, we just moved in to our third apartment, crib, home, whatever you want to call it, at 19 years of age. We're gonna get into that later in the video, but right now, as you can tell from the back seat, we have a lot of packages that have to go out. I believe that's like 30 to 40 orders right there. And then we're gonna meet up with JJ and Riley. JJ is the owner of a pretty popular clothing brand. They specialize in athletes. So if you want, if you're an athlete, go check his stuff out. I'll put his Instagram on the screen right now. We are running late. We're supposed to be at Riley's house in 26 minutes and I still have to get gas and hit the post office and make it there. I will catch y'all when I catch y'all. Deuces. What's up, y'all? We made it to Top Golf. My brother is in the hospital because he's blind. He went blind in one of his eyeballs, so prayers for him. But we're about to do some Top Golf, get some food, start grubbing, all that good jazz, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. This is my first time ever Top Golfing, so wish me luck. This is my second time. My first time was just now hitting a golf club for the first time. This is my second time ever hitting or golfing, I guess. I was too poor for this shit growing up, so let's see. Oh, that's going. That's going places. Ah. I got a Balenciaga tee right here, okay. And I got a towel in my car. I got a pool back there. One of y'all boys jump in the pool and you get the free Balenciaga tee. And I got a towel for you. I'll do it right now. And we're gonna clip it on the stream. Yeah? I'll do it. Let's do it. Let's get this locked in real quick.
I ain't gonna lie. I used to be a reseller too.
Oh, word?
Word.
Of course you did, gang. I ain't gonna lie. You
fucking pool.
You work in the sweatshop, gang.
Hey man, y'all go check out Carter Harvey on Twitch.
Wait, no. What's your thing?
Riches off rips, but you search up Liege or just search up reselling, it might be the first thing that pops up. Boom. But yeah, y'all go check out. I'll put his Twitch on screen right now, so y'all can go check that out. We're about to get a clip for his stream real quick. He's finna jump in the pool for a free Balenciaga tee. Show the stream. This one's actually tough as hell too.
Oh my,
embroidery.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie. I
ain't
gonna lie, it's worth it.
Jump that
Yo,
shit.
I ain't gonna lie, it's worth it. I ain't gonna lie, I'm jumping.
Yo.
I'm about to jump in the fucking pool for a free Balenci.
How cool that shit is.
It feels mad good in here.
Is it heated?
Wait, actually, I'm not even trolling. It might be. Like, it's actually not that bad.
Oh my god, this shit heated.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm about to go for a swim. This is a hard ass tee too, straight from Balenci. W clip for him. Balenciaga.
My goodness, free Balenci. What? Like, wait, chat. Be honest. Do I look good?
Yeah. What is up, guys? We are on the way to the post office yet again. Today, we have a little lifestyle vlog planned. We're gonna show y'all the new crib. We're gonna pack some orders, make some money. I got a video going up in 2.5 hours, and y'all have probably already watched that, the TikTok video. I hope y'all enjoyed that. I worked my ass off to make that video. That being said, we are gonna get forwards with our day, and y'all are gonna come along the ride. Deuces. Getting pulled over, guys. It's Bree's fault. She smuggling cocaine in her asshole. So I'm going to jail. We got a new package, y'all. I've been waiting for this. I'm really excited to get into this one. Feeding my addiction yet again. Let's get into the box and see what we got. What do y'all think it is, man? Boy, look at that OG Michael Jordan box, fam. My box got a little crack in it, bro. I don't fuck with that. Yeah, this is like the best feeling in the world, bro. Yeah. Okay. Jordan 4, Toro 4. Yeah, this is tough, bro. Yeah, they don't look as, actually mine look, they look good. Mine look good. There's been reports that like they look ashy, that they're faded, that it's not the right red. Mine look good. I got a good pair. Boy. Mine got the deep red. I got a deep red pair, how they're supposed to look. I feel bad for the ones who got like the ashy ass pairs. Mine are good, bro. Look at that. These are sexy, dude. If y'all didn't know, this is my favorite shoe, Jordan 4. And the Toros were one of the hardest pairs to get back then. I can't wait to put these on my feet, dude. Holy shit, these are tough as fuck. I wish they came with the hang tag. Other than that, these are tough as hell. Deep red, too. What is up, y'all? So, we just unboxed 150 pieces of essentials off camera. The little restock is posted on the TikTok, so if you want access to that, go follow the TikTok. It is on screen right here. Let me show y'all what we got real quick. These are all t-shirts right here. I believe we have like 45 t-shirts. We have 76 pairs of essential shorts, and then we have 10 essential hoodies. You're probably wondering, Liege, why such random numbers? Usually way more calculated than that. I had a customer that has been supporting me for a while, and he needed money quick, and he had a bunch of stuff that he was trying to sell. And so I told him, I said, I got you, bro. I'll clear you out. He threw me a good ass deal, and he ran GUA with me, and I cleared out his entire inventory because he needed the money, and I'm not gonna pass up on a good deal. So yeah, that being said, we are about to make some money. I will pick y'all back up once we get some orders done. We're about to get these pictures in the Telegram. If you want access to those pictures and everything else, link in description for the Telegram channel. Let's get into it. We have some orders right here that we're gonna pack up for you guys. This is like 1,300 in orders maybe. You can't tell. I had to get my braces off because if you can't tell from the videos, they just look like shit. They were always missing brackets, wires were always poking out, stuff like that. So I got them taken off, and I'm getting Invisalign in like 2-3 weeks. But yeah, that being said, let's go ahead and pack up these orders, and then we're gonna hit Best Buy to go get a fucking internet extender. God, this shit is just nerfing me, bro. Alright, y'all, so we got the extender. It was $96 after tax. And then Bree got me the new Jean Paul Gaultier yesterday, the one with the really cool bottle. So she wanted to get the matching one because there's a female and a male version of every single line. She wanted to get the matching one, so we ran to Ulta, and then she fell in love with the OG Divine Jean Paul Gaultier. I don't know if y'all know what that is. I'll put a picture on screen, and she didn't know which one to get. So I bought her one and she got one, and she's gonna do a little unboxing for y'all. She got 2 new Jean Paul Gaultiers. We spent what, $350 at Ulta just now?
Ish, yeah.
$350 at Ulta, $96 at Best Buy.
96?
Yeah. All right.
At least you can use it forever.
Let's get to unboxing. We also got these cool little bags. They gave us 2 bags. They're actually good quality.
Like. It's jean. Open it.
2 bags with our cologne purchases. Oh, look at that. Okay, let's see. Look at her.
Pointy boobs.
Show the camera.
So cool.
So aesthetic, look at that. And that's the Jean Paul Gaultier Divine.
So cute.
Divine
the ring is bigger
Feminine.
on this one than my other one.
Yeah.
Like this part.
That one's very nice. Let's get an atomizer test. That smells really good. Pissed. That smells really good though. But let's see what this bag is talking about. We got 2 of these bags so we can match. Look at that. It's like blue jean.
What is
Pretty
it?
cool.
A backpack?
It's a backpack. Pretty neat. Bree has a little sister on the way. Her mom's pregnant. Hi, Chris. Hi, Chris. I know you're watching this, and congrats on being a father to another woman, girl thing. Look at the bottle. Look at the bottle of this one. It's so pretty. Look at the can. Jean Paul Gaultier La Belle. I love the bottle. Bree mainly got this one because the bottle is so nice. Look at her. Get a focus on that one. Very nice. Very sassy.
Cute.
Oh, that smells so good.
It smells good.
They both smell so damn good.
More like flowery.
That one smells more like spring, summery. The other one is like all year round. That's it for our haul for today. We've spent a lot of money the past 3 weeks, and you know, going into the house and stuff. We're gonna give y'all a house tour sometime during this video. I know that's what the title of this video is. We're gonna do that very soon. We have spent probably, I think I've spent genuinely like $6,000 in the past 3 weeks. So yeah, pockets are hurting. But that being said, let's go hit the post office. We got some packages in the back. We're gonna hit the post office, and then we're gonna get back home. Very nice, very good, very demure. That was a really nice post office. Like, really luxurious. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Bet, brother, I got you. I'm gonna go ahead and scan this. You doing good though?
Yes, bro.
Here, check those out, bro.
Oh, this shit good quality.
Bro, so good quality.
Damn.
Like, actually. I'll request it, and then you
Yeah.
just pay me whenever you got it. I trust
It's
you.
just on my mom's phone, that's why.
Yeah, I trust you. 120 Balenciaga request. All right, brother. I got you. Just pay me whenever you got a chance.
I got you, bro.
Stay safe, brother.
We'll be sound within the next 5 minutes.
All right, thank you, bro. What up, YouTube? It is a beautiful day in Canton, Georgia. No longer Atlanta. It feels weird saying that. But that being said, we are at a pool party right now that my sister and her company organized. And we're gonna have fun. The boss here cooks some barbecue chicken, so we're gonna do a little review on that. But yeah, that being said, I'm just trying to milk some content for y'all because I know y'all really want this video. I need to get more content for y'all, so I'm gonna do that for y'all. We got Mama Liege in the cut.
Mama Leach!
Y'all saw her in the live stream. Y'all were showing her live in the live stream.
That's right. Pool party.
Let's get a W mom in the comments if you made it this far in the video. We're about to eat some barbecue chicken and have some good times. Look, I tell you, you did a good job. You did a good job organizing. Chef Kyle.
Yes, sir.
Chef Kyle in the cut. Yeah. Look at that. That's some good barbecue chicken right there. Uh-huh. Yup. We're gonna do a little taste test to see if Chef Kyle and Chef Nico did their thing. I'm gonna start off with this barbecue chicken. This is what I'm most excited for. Look at that. Yup. That bitch talking about something. Usually, I'm not a big fan of barbecue chicken because half the time it's just straight char, but that's juicy. That's good. Let's try this burger. It's a burger, you know. It's good though. And it's hot dog. I can get down with that. That's a good ass hot dog. Whole plate. I give the chicken a 9.5 out of 10. You get extra. You get a 10 out of 10 if it's like juicing. Like you take a bite, it's gonna squirt juice everywhere. That's a 10 out of 10. The burger. You know, right now we're at Uptown Cheapskate. Look at this find, bro. They're a size 7.5 though, but check these out. They're damn near brand new. I believe those are the carbon or the graphite 352s, but those go for like $400. What is up, y'all? Welcome to the official house tour of the freaking Riches Off Reps domain, the 458 Empire, the Legis Lounge. We're about to get into it. This is our third house, me and Brianna, at 19 years old. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get in. When you walk in, you have this beautiful entryway that we are far from completing. You know, we still got to do some certain things. We got to decorate those shelves. We got to get a runner. This is our washer and dryer. That's why we have dirty laundry right here. Sorry, I wasn't prepared. You keep walking in, and this is what you get. You get the beautiful layout of our new luxurious apartment. This is our kitchen, beautiful kitchen. We got the large granite countertops, the big old white cabinets. We got the island right here, and you keep going, and you got the living room. We got the expensive couch. This costing me like 2 racks. We got the mounted TV. We got all the decor. Look how nice that is, y'all. Let's get a close up on this. Isn't it just beautiful? Look at the decor, man. Look at the decor. Yeah, I mean that's the living room. We got some cool artwork up there. We got the, you know, I like it. I could definitely pass as an interior designer. As you can see, we have a bunch of very natural light. We have a backyard at our apartment. Who you know doing it like that? Nobody. You keep coming in. We got the primary bedroom. This is where me and Bree sleep, and that's it. We do not use this bedroom for anything else because we have 2 other bedrooms that I'm about to show y'all. But yeah, you walk in, we got the king size bed. You know, we got big ass window, the nightstands. This is my shitter. Well, first of all, we got the dresser right here. We share the dresser. You know, we got the TV. We're planning on getting a better TV for in here. This one's kind of booty. But yeah, you walk in. This is my bathroom, right? This is this is my bathroom. This is where I shower. This is where I shit. All of the beautiful colognes. I know some of y'all want a cologne tour. Maybe we can do that in a separate video. But yeah, we have a lot of colognes. That's like, how much do you think I've spent on colognes? I mean, like 5, 10, a lot of thousands. You keep walking. This is my closet. Bree has her own, and for a reason. If you want to look into this closet, I have a lot of clothes. Don't forget to get down there. Yeah. I have nothing to say truly about the closet. I'm just, I guess I really like clothes, and I know some of y'all want a closet tour, and I can give that to y'all. I have a really cool closet, so if y'all really want that, comment down below, and I got y'all. Moving on, let's get to the second half of the apartment. Let me turn off this light. You know, living by your own at 19, electric bill. Let's not work with that. Come on. Alrighty. I'm not gonna go out here because it's just like, you know, a normal backyard, I guess. You can get a little sneak peek. Normal little Francois. Alright, now if you follow me over here, this is our hallway to me and Bree's separate rooms. We have a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and it's not cheap, so let's get into it. As you can see here, we have Bree's shitter. Bree has the bigger bathroom, of course. Ridiculous. Truly ridiculous. I don't know why you have the bigger bathroom, but you know, it's fine. She has the Jack and Jill. She has the double sink, even though she's so small. But look at my chest. I just got this done yesterday. It's Bree's face. If y'all don't know. Anyways, let's get in. We're gonna save the best room for last, of course, but let's get into Bree's room real quick. As you can tell, I told Bree to freaking put on her light so it looks cool, but she can't even do that. This is Bree's room. She has her own little bed. She has her little nail salon. If y'all want to get your nails done and you live in the Metro Atlanta area, hit me up. We're gonna get someone working for y'all. My girl's gonna start her own little nail business. Ain't that right? Right. This is Bree's closet. She has a cool little rug. Yeah, usually it's the other way around. You know, the girl has all the clothes, but even Bree has a lot of fucking clothes. It's just, you know, when you make a lot of money at a young age, you don't know what to spend it on, so you spend it on shit you like. Yeah, we got Bree's mirror. We got Bree's mounted TV. Yep. If you can't tell, Bree really likes cheetah print. Cheetah print dog bed, cheetah print rug, cheetah print rug, cheetah print blanket, cheetah print pillows, like, ridiculous. Last but not least, let's get in to the office, the best room of the house, non-argumently, like this is like genuine. Let's just get into it. I'm gonna show y'all. This is where I pack all your orders. This is where I edit all your videos. This is where I live stream. Let's get into it. Sadza, this is the office, the 4-5 Fate Empire. Like this is it. This is the coolest room in the apartment complex. This is the coolest room in Canton, Georgia. I mean, come on, man. We got my glorious Detroit Pistons on the wall. We got Kate Cunningham. We got Asar Thompson. We got Jalen Duren. We got Reginald right there with the I am too creative for a 9 to 5. This is the computer setup. We got a tri-monitor setup. I just got this curved monitor to go with the tri-monitor setup. 77-inch desk from IKEA. Got the PC. All that good jazz. We got an 85-inch TV, and you're probably wondering, what's that wheel up there for? Well, if y'all don't remember the last video, we hosted a giveaway for 2 Balenciaga tees. So right after this, we're about to get into that, and we're gonna announce our winners for the Balenciaga tees. We have a really cool decor. Bree just coached me what to put right here, and I did that, right? If you can't tell, I love Jordan 4s. So we got cool decor all around. We got the P5, more decor over here. We got some shoes down there, some hats, all that good jazz. We got the plan to get rich. y'all can't see that. If you turn around right there, we got a little cool mirror. We got the MP5 mirror. We got the Hellcat mirror. We got some vinyls. Supreme backboard right there. If you come in here, it's a little bit of a mess. This is where I pack all of your orders. This is all of the inventory, room, stock. We're running low. I'm about to place a restock, so y'all stay tuned for that. Restock video coming very soon. But yeah, I mean, that's the house tour. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Without further ado, we're about to discuss these winners. We got 2 winners for these 2 t-shirts, 2 Balenciaga t-shirts, so let's get into it. All right, so right here, we have 2 Balenciaga tees. Y'all saw them last video. Nice tees, nice quality, the best quality at that. And we're about to spin this wheel 2 times. 2 winners. Thank you for everyone who commented and joined in the last video. I appreciate you all dearly. Let's get into it. No cuts, 2 winners, so y'all know I'm not cheating. Let's do it. For the first winner, we have... Let's see, who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Oh shit! Mena S7Z3U, you won your Balenciaga tee. Congratulations. On to the next spin. Let's see, who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Oh, La Sosa, I know you're rolling in your grave right now, brother. Jadic, congratulations, you won the second Balenciaga tee. La Sosa, I know you're rolling in your grave, bro. We had Mena right here. We had Jadic right here. You were right in the middle. Maybe next time, brother. Maybe next time. But hey, I appreciate you all for watching this video. Giveaway winners, please message me on Telegram so I can give y'all's prizes. I need your shipping info. You don't gotta pay nothing. You don't gotta pay nothing. I'm gonna cover shipping. I'm gonna ship it to you. You're gonna have a brand new t-shirt on your body. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and end off this video because I need to get this posted for y'all. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. There's a little day in the life. We had a lot of fun stuff to do in this video. There really wasn't any like yap or anything like that. So yeah, I mean, without further ado, love you guys. Until the next one, deuces.